Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now today I'm going to show you another client's case study, how this client did in the Black Friday week. Now this client is doing really high numbers. This is doing almost close to 2.6 million USD and we have really high goals for this client. So let me show you how our client performed in Black Friday and this Cyber Monday week. Whereas you can see that during this week there is a lot of fluctuations when it comes to ACOS. So let me just try to show you what all is happening and what goals are we setting for this account, how was the ACOS, how did it perform and all. So if you just see here, this client from 25th of November to 28th of November, it did around $36,000. It did around $36,000 and that is good number. I mean, if I just show you their performance on last 12 months, if you can just see it here, it is around close to $2.7 million. So they have done close to $2.7 million in the last 12 months. Obviously, we are aiming really high. We are targeting to cross $3 million by this year because the kind of products that they sell goes really well in the sales. So we are hoping big numbers in this Christmas and before that as well. So let me just show you the campaign performance, how they did. So this is their campaign dashboard. If you can see, we have set the date range from Black Friday till Cyber Monday, and you can see the ACOS for that client is around 19.70%. So obviously this is good number because their tacos is around 5 to 6% range, around 5.4 or something like that. We have just cross-checked it. So these numbers are really good, and you can see we have really high goals for this account to cross $3 million by the end of this year. Now, these are some of the things that happened with this client. Similarly, when it comes to sales, you need to optimize this really well, and you have to make sure that you don't go out of stock and make sure your restock limits are set properly. So that is what we have to show for this account. And if you want us to audit your account and help take our help in scaling your revenue, then let us know. We would love to audit your account and share our insights on what all we can improve. The link is in the description. You can reach out to us, and thank you so much. I'll see you again in next video.